Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a more cheerful kitchen? I always am, and I love pops of color year-round. That's why I am in love with these beautiful cloth napkins from DIYANAIMPEX. These napkins are a 16 by 6 inch generous size. They come in a set of 10, and each one of them is a unique color pattern. The 100% cotton makes them super soft, and after you wash them, they will be even softer. They really make dinner time such a fun experience, whether we have company over or it's just our family. I love having the pops of color and the beautiful prints in them. The 100% cotton makes them easy to wash, and you can do it on gentle and even hang them out to line dry, and they will continue to soften every time. If you want a more cheerful, wonderful dining experience, then you need to invite these napkins over. They really will add a lot of brightness to your day with their beautiful, vibrant colors and with their great fabric that help you when you're eating. But that's just my point of view.